Hi everyone, I'm trying to get an Office 365 account. So I'm going to key in my school account and it'll see if school account qualifies. Is it doing something? I clicked on this button, but got no response. It's not doing anything. Let me try and go back. This is Office. Let me check. If we could use this. Okay. All right, so you'll get an option, two options, and I'm going to select this one. I'm a teacher, and then okay, so we've got free Office, and we need to sign in with our account. I'm not sure what password this is. I don't know. What's the password? Reset it now. Okay, I'm gonna reset the password because I don't know what password this is. And let's see, choose a new password, email my alternate email. Okay, gonna enter a verification code. Okay, let me check my email. I think I've got my email here. Verification code is 187369. 187369. 187369. Okay, next. Enter my new password. Strong password is required. Strong passwords are 8 to 256 characters and must combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, they cannot contain your username. Okay, I have this in mind, and I've got a strong password. Finish. Strong password is required. Unfortunately, your password contains a word, phrase, or pattern that makes it easily guessable. Please try again with a different password. How is that guessable? I don't know. No. Let's see. Yay! Click here to sign in with your password. This isn't the one that I changed, is it? Yay! Now that I have my Microsoft account, Microsoft Office, almost there. You are signed as, this is my email. Microsoft may send me promotions, offers about Microsoft products. I would like Microsoft to share my information. No, definitely not. Perhaps I shouldn't check this either. All right. invite more people. Do not refresh this page. I think save time by teaching with Office. All right. I don't know what to do next. And I'm trying to figure out how I can go from here. Yes, I want to be the admin. Try to become the admin for mail.ntue.edu.tw. As an admin, you'll manage how everyone in your organization uses this device. Perhaps this is not what I want. No, I don't want to be an admin. So, yes, this is my Microsoft account. And I see, well, this is basically how you get your Microsoft Office 365 account.